So I want to give you this quick update video. What's happening right now with Bitcoin? I hope you are ready for this session because this will be crazy, guys. I want to start here with the monthly chart, and it's amazing what I found here. I just want to share with you guys. I want to share with you on the monthly basis. It don't mean that it will happen tomorrow, today, or in the next few weeks or months, but in the next months it could really happen. But watch right now this, guys. I found and already wrote in our Telegram group. Look at this. We have RSIs going down, but the price is going up. This is a massive bullish divergence on the monthly chart. So what it means? It means what we all know, and the most of us, that it's getting really, really big. Bitcoin and the whole crypto market. We are expecting here a very huge pump in the next months, or maybe next year. Nobody knows. But guys, you say, yeah, it's obviously Slavic, blah blah blah, but wait a minute. I want to show you something else. If we are watching on the back, on the previous bear market, right, which we had 2017 2018, right, between 2017 or 2018 2019, something like that. What we saw here, look at this. We see here the RSI, I mean, doesn't matter where we are measuring here, RSI is going down, but the price is going up, right? And what happened here? Wait a minute, I delete this. What happened after it? This was the bottom. So this was the bottom. Does that mean that right now the bottom is in? It could be. Nobody knows. But according to the RSI, the bottom is in. It don't mean that we can still go to 18,000 or 15,000, guys. But because on the monthly chart, you see this, like, I mean, you see even this small wick, right? I mean, we are right now at around 20K, and the small wick is already 70,500. But we are very close to the bottom. So according to this RSI theory, we are very close to the bottom, and we should see in the next month a pump, right? If we are counting here, I mean, if this was the bottom, if 70,600 or 70,700 was the bottom, and we are counting it here, if we're watching here, this is the bottom on the previous bear market, and we're counting 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 months, we saw a huge pump, right? If we're counting here the same, 1, 2, 3, 4 months, so we should see in October a huge pump. Guys, I know it's not, you cannot one-to-one copy it based on the past, but we can make our conclusions out of it. Maybe we see this month, maybe in 2 months, nobody knows, but it's very clear that we are very close to it. And another thing what I want to show you, yes, we saw a pump, and we saw a pump of, let me measure it. So based on the past, wait a minute, based on the past, we saw a pump of around, I only sharing my opinion, guys. If you think something else, then please block this channel and go play Mario Kart. 340% we saw pump, right? After it, we saw a dump again, nearly to the bottom, right? So 340%. So if we see here, only because, I mean, the volatility getting less and less, right? We see less and less volatility throughout the whole Bitcoin and crypto market. Why? Because more and more money is invested in, right? So let us assume we see only a half of it. Let's assume only 150% pump. Where we would see it? Where we would see the pump? Measure from the bottom, 150%. If we see only around 150%, what we see? We see around 45,000. Bitcoin could reach around 45,000. What could happen after? Huge dump. You see, again, a huge dump of around, wait a minute, huge dump of around, was around 70%, 71%. So if we are watching here around 45K and see a dump of around 35%, so we could go again back to 29K. We could even go back to 21K, 20K. You see, and what now? Guys, I hope you stay with me. I just show you the real huge picture on the monthly. We see bullish divergence right now, and we saw it based on the past. I just compare it. And right now, guys, I'm watching on the 4 hourly, or on the daily, I'm switching on daily, and we're watching the Wyckoff accumulation. And guys, what I told you about the Wyckoff accumulation, according to the Wyckoff accumulation, if we see right now pump slightly below our previous local high, right? According to the Wyckoff accumulation, if we see it, so this would be also around 45, 46K. After it, according to Wyckoff accumulation, we're creating even a new lower low or slightly to the bottom. We're going back to the bottom. Then this is exactly the Wyckoff accumulation would play out. This is crazy, right? So this is what I tell you. It could be easily that we see here pump to 46, 47K, because this would be only around 150%. Based on the past, we saw a pump over 300%, guys. You see? You understand what I mean? Please write you understand, or please make some how it called. You understand? Make some smileys if you understand. You see 300%, and then we saw a huge dump. And you see here the Wyckoff accumulation perfectly worked out. Bam, pump, and then a huge dump. I mean, guys, it's just on the real big picture what I wanted to share with you. I hope you understand, because I'm not so good at explaining, but I hope you understand what I mean in the real huge picture, right? Let's go back in 15 minutes for us day traders. So we are right now in this Wyckoff, not Wyckoff, in this rising, falling wedge, right? And the technical price target was the top of the wedge, right? And what we see here, we perfectly reached the price target, guys. The price target is the top of the wedge, 2050, and we perfectly to the dollar reached it, guys. Congratulations to everyone who took here this long opportunity. If you took here this long opportunity, 1.3% profit, 10x average 30%, 20x average 26%. What right now? We see right now retesting this white line. So if we are breaking down this line, this is for me a very clear sign to short Bitcoin. If we're breaking 90,650, we can start shorting down Bitcoin. Let me quickly watch. So if we're breaking 9,650, I tell you again my price targets. So if we break 19,650, zack, then the first price tag would be 9,535 approximately. The next one 90,250. The next one would be around our price target of this, like I tell you the whole time, this huge falling wedge, we didn't reach the price target still yet, would be around 80,950. So this could be at least a trade of 3.5%, 10x average 35%, 20x average over 70% short opportunity if we are breaking this white line down, especially if we break the second line down. So this could be huge short opportunity, right? Where we see a long opportunity. Long opportunity is, in my opinion, very clear. If we are breaking above EMA 15-minute EMA ribbon and above 19,822, because you see here a lot of resistance, yes. If we break above, then we can start to long Bitcoin, right? First price target would be, so if we break above 9,822, the first price tag would be 19,892. The second one would be 19,967. The next one 20K. The next one would be around 20,050, back to 20,050, right? And then the next one, wait a minute, I have to zoom out. 9,822. I have to zoom out. 19,822. Yeah, let's measure from here. The next one would be 20,360. I would take profits before 20,300. The next one would be 20,368. The next one would be 20,500, and the next one would be around 20,559. 3.6%, 10x average 36%, 20x leverage around 72% long opportunity. So very clear, guys. If Bitcoin break here above 19,825 around, we can start long Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. Please take profits along the way up. If you're breaking down this line, this white line of around 9,650, we can start short down Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. Let me quickly watch Ethereum. Ethereum also very clear, guys, very clear. If Bitcoin breaks to the upside, we can start long Ethereum. First price target would be 1,577, 1,584, 1,591, 1,597, 1,604, 1,610, 1,622, and 1,640. So this all in all could be a trade of around 5%, 10x average 50%, 20x average over 100% if Bitcoin breaks to the upside. If Bitcoin breaks to the downside, we can start shorting Ethereum. First price tag 1,558. Next one would be 1,552, 1,545, 1,539, and 1,531. So all in all, at least 2.3%, 10x average 23%, 20x average 46% short opportunity on Ethereum. Very, very clear, guys. Let me quickly watch the stock market right now. We closed at 3,924. The stock market and the futures, we are at the same level right now. And let me quickly watch on the RSI. Yeah, the RSI is still oversold, heavily oversold, like I told you yesterday. And the stock market today closed. Yes, guys. Please beware of it. Stock market closed. It will open tomorrow. So we will see tomorrow a high volatility because we are heavily oversold. There's still a little bit room to go down, but it seems that we have to see some consolidation or a pump because we are heavily oversold, but still room to go down. Please watch out tomorrow 9:30 the stock market, US stock market will open, especially S&P 500. Again, quick summary, guys. So if we see here a dump below this white line, we can start shorting down Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. If we see pump above 9,825, we can start to long Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. Where we are doing it, guys, we are trading at the moment on Bybit, $4,620 you get for free after initial deposit. And if you're trading through my affiliate link, you get free access to my Discord channel, which we are building. This will be the best Discord channel all over the world because this is the most erotic crypto channel. And also you get free access to my Telegram channel. So link is down below, guys. Check it out. And quickly here also my trade. I jumped into a short, which is right on 230% in $230 in profit, 32%, $35,000 in contract size. I think I will take some profits because it's not clear right now where we are heading. I will wait until either we're breaking this white line to the downside or if we're breaking 9,820 to the upside, right? So very clear, guys. Let me quickly switch back. So thank you everyone who hitting the like button. If you like this erotic session with me, with Slavik together, if you are watching okay, stop it, guys. Thank you everyone. Hit the like button and leave some nice erotic comments down. I kiss you. Show me what you showed. Show me what you showed. Then he want to pump the price to the upside, guys. If you want to pump the price to the upside, hit the like button. I kiss you and I see you later. Mwah.